Welcome to the channel. Here, we provide clear, actionable insights into the complex world of tax and accounting to help your business thrive.
Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're cracking open a really powerful retirement strategy that a lot of high earners use to build wealth completely tax-free. It's called the Backdoor Roth IRA, and we're going to break down exactly how it works, step by step.
But hold on. Before we dive into this specific strategy, we need to do a quick check-in. Because honestly, to even think about using the Backdoor Roth, you really should have the fundamentals of saving completely locked down.
Think of it like a financial ladder. Let's just quickly run through the steps you should already have in place before you try an advanced move like this one. First up, the absolute baseline, the non-negotiable. You are contributing enough to your 401k to get the full company match. The reason this is step one is just so simple. A company match is an immediate, guaranteed return on your money. I mean, turning this down is literally just leaving free money on the table. So this is always your foundation. Okay, so you've got your match secured. The next rung on the ladder is making sure you're already maxing out your other powerful tax-advantaged accounts. That means funding a health savings account, an HSA, if you have one. And let me tell you, this thing is an incredible tool. It has a triple tax benefit. Your money goes in tax-free, it grows tax-free, and it comes out tax-free for medical costs. It's a powerhouse. And it also means you're aiming to max out an individual retirement account. For 2025, that's a $7,000 contribution if you're under 50. All right, with those prerequisites out of the way, let's get to the main event.
Okay, so let's dive in. Because in the world of IRAs, there's one type that is just the undisputed champion of tax benefits. We're talking the Roth IRA. But it comes with a huge catch for successful people.
Here's why the Roth is so powerful. You pay taxes on the money before it goes in. And what that means is every single dollar of growth and every single withdrawal you make in retirement is 100% tax-free. No tax bills. Ever. It's a massive advantage.
Well, the problem is the government knows exactly how good this deal is. And because of that, they basically put up a gate to limit who can get in directly.
So for most people, the door to a Roth IRA is just wide open. But once your income crosses a certain line, bam, that door slams shut. It is locked. You are prohibited from contributing directly.
And that income level, it isn't some crazy high number. For 2025, if you're married and filing your taxes jointly, an income over $246,000 means you are completely locked out of making direct Roth IRA contributions.
So, if the front door is locked, what do? Well, you find another way in, right? This is where a well-known and totally legal workaround comes into play, the Backdoor Roth strategy.
Man, it's a surprisingly simple two-step process. First, you contribute your after-tax money to a traditional IRA. Now, the critical thing here is that there are no income limits for making this type of contribution. Then, almost immediately, you just convert that money over to a Roth IRA. And that's it. Seriously, you've effectively walked your money through the back door. It's now sitting in a Roth IRA, ready to grow completely tax-free for the rest of your life, even though your income was technically too high to use the front door.
But hold on. Before you run off to open an account, there is one major tax trap that you absolutely must be aware of. Getting this wrong can lead to a really unexpected and expensive tax bill.
The catch is a specific IRS regulation, and it's called the Pro-Rata Rule. It only comes into play if you already have money in other traditional SEP or simple IRA accounts.
Pro-rata literally just means in proportion. The IRS says you can't just convert your new after-tax money. No, instead they view any conversion as coming proportionally from all of your traditional IRA funds combined. That's both your new after-tax contribution and any old pre-tax funds you might have.
And here you can really see the two different outcomes. If you have a clean slate, meaning no other pre-tax IRA money anywhere, your conversion is completely tax-free. It works perfectly. But if you have existing pre-tax funds, maybe from an old 401k rollover, that pro-rata rule kicks in and it makes your conversion partially taxable. So the crucial point here, the big takeaway, is this. The Backdoor Roth IRA strategy works best and is a clean, tax-free move only if you have a zero balance across all of your pre-tax traditional, SEP, and simple IRAs. So with all of that in mind, the savings ladder, the locked door, and that pro-rata rule, let's figure out if this move is actually right for you. To put it simply, this strategy is a perfect fit if you can check these three boxes.
You're a high earner, you're already a diligent saver in your other accounts, and you have that clean slate with no pre-tax IRA money to trigger that pesky pro-rata rule.
You know, it's a powerful tool. It's not for everyone, but it is a potential game changer for those it fits. Understanding the steps and that crucial tax warning is the key to unlocking potentially tens of thousands of dollars in tax-free growth for your retirement.